till now the problems or the problems or the environment in which we were dealing our search strategies and algorithms, if you have observed, are primarily single agent. In your route finding algorithm or in your 8 puzzle problem or your robot navigation problem, there were no other agents. There was a single agent, only a single agent. And the search or the environment was non-adversarial. Nobody was playing against you. Nobody was, if I say in a very lay term, nobody was trying to harm you. So it was a non-adversarial environment. Now we will come to a different type of settings in which there will be multiple agents, firstly, and the environment will become adversarial. And we will see how search proceeds, or what type of search algorithms are there for such settings. The tasks for which this type of settings are prevailing, there are many such tasks, but one of the tasks which are considered to be an intelligent enterprise undertaken by human beings and now computers also is game playing. So we will see some game playing strategies using search methodologies. But it is a very wide field. Applications of such game playing strategies you have seen in the real world. Deep Blue, which is a chess playing program that bet Garry Kasparov, the grandmaster, international grandmaster. So Deep Blue is a good example of a game playing program, AI program. Now AlphaGo, you can Google these names up. AlphaGo is a AI game of playing Go, which is also quite a complex game, and it has bet Lee Sedol, the reigning world champion, international champion, in that. And there is a common thing between both Deep Blue and AlphaGo, apart from the fact that both are two-player games, and of course both are adversarial. Each person is trying to win by defeating the other. That is adversarial, right? Nobody is trying to cooperate with each other. So these are two commonalities. Apart from these commonalities, the other thing why search here comes as a good tool is both of them has a combinatorial explosion of states. What do I mean by that? I mean given if this is a 8x8 chessboard, and if this is a particular chessboard state where the chess pieces are there, you can have some n number of moves from that state. From that, your opponent can have, for each child state, your opponent can have again equally large number of moves, and similarly so ultimately the search tree grows and explodes. So searching through the tree, through a tree-like structure to get the best current move is the goal for game playing AI programs. The similar is the case for AlphaGo also. So with this motivation, we will start our game playing using search.